So today we will learn about the variable scope. Variable scope refers to the accessibility and visibility of the variables within your code. In JavaScript, variables can have either local or global scope. Local variables are declared within a function and can only be accessed within that function. Meanwhile, global variables are declared outside of any function and can be accessed from anywhere in the code. Now, let's take them in action. We have a function with person variable assigned to David. It is then logged in console. Now, let me create another variable with the same name, but with a different value. Let's say Amy. At the bottom, if I call this function, it will look for the person variable inside the function, so it will log David as a result. Likewise, if you add console.log and pass person, this time it will look for person variable outside the function, so it will log Amy as a result. This happened because of the scope. The scope inside the function is called the function scope, meaning the person variable created inside this function cannot be accessed or modified anywhere else in the code. For example, let me create another function, greet2. I will use same variable name but a different value, Megan. So if I call greet2 function over here, this time it will look for the person variable inside greet2 function, so it will log Megan as a result. Let me remove this greet2 function. The variable created outside of this function is called the global scope, meaning this person variable can be accessed or modified from anywhere in the code. For example, let me remove let keyword inside this function. Now what happened is this person variable is reassigned from Amy to David. So if you check the result, you will see both David as a result. If you want to avoid this kind of situation, you can add const keyword in global scope. Now if you check the preview again, this time you will get the error assignment to constant variable. Also, it is not the best practice to modify the global scope, so when creating a variable inside the function, always use either let or const keyword. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will learn the fifth topic, function declaration versus function expression. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.